We're looking for a new property. In case there's a diner, the kitchen. Laundry. That's the laundry area. Can you show up the outside? Okay. We're looking. This is the toilet. The bathroom and the shower room. The bathtub. This is the shower room. Another room. I think this is a master's bedroom. And then the other room. We'll find out. Yeah, the other one is the master's bedroom. For kids, if they like it.
Huwag ka naman gano'n din.
Hanap tayo ngayon ng property.
Ay, malinis.
How are you?
Hi, good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. These are your daughters.
Yeah.
And that is the husband.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Salvador. Salvador.
Salvador.
Yeah.
And you are?
Maricel. Maricel.
Maricel.
Yes.
And the daughter?
Abby. Edward.
Edward, Abby, Maricel.
Yeah. Salvador.
Salvador.
Yeah. He's
El Salvador. Hello, Salvador. How are you?
Okay naman siya. Okay nga siya, oh. Kasi okay siya kasi magkahiwalay yung ano.
Oo nga, gusto mo.
You are moving or you have more?
May likod pa, oh. Wow, maganda.
Naka-record? Ayusin mo pag-record.
Be honest, because I have very good options for you. Because there are
Yung ano?
Ayusin
Kwarto.
mo pag-record. Ah, that's... Wait lang, hindi. Isarado mo natin. Hanap ng bahay. House hunting for today's video.
Ang ganda ng kabit. Ano.
Curtain na.
May silip pagka pagkili natin.
Nga, kasi hindi nasa
Yeah.
labas.
Hindi awat ni mother.
House hunting.
Kita niyo.
Malilinis sana ang room. 3 bedroom?
Ay, maganda yung CR.
How much is this?
1, 2, 3. Ilang room? 1, 2, 3. Ito yung... Ay, wala yung ano.
Yeah, that's your time.
This is the dining. And the laundry area. Laundry area. Ano ba yun? Magic sa likod.
Ano yung kasama natin yun? Hindi, ayun.
Ay, mag-house tour po kami. Mag-house viewing po kami for today. Yeah, ito yung kanyang living room. Oh, you have a beautiful living room. Yeah. Iba talaga pag Pinoy ang nakatira. It's very tidy.
Oo. Masyado din na rin anak ko.
Hindi, ayan. Tidy. Once Filipino ang tumira, it's tidy. Yeah, here's the... Wanna see the kitchen? Ah, yes. It's a nice one. This is the toilet area.
Okay.
Space really.
Yeah, don't mind the mess. We're looking for the backyard for some purposes, gardening or
I even put my gas here because I don't like to cook, fish or anything that smells inside the house.
their house viewing for today. Okay, with benches. Ah, wow, it's a quite backyard.
It's 675.
Maliit ang kitchen din.
Oo.
Ang ganda sana ng view while you are washing or
Masisipag.
beautiful view kasi ano. I think doon maganda rin yung view sa kabila.
Oo.
Ang liit ang cabinet, hindi kasi ang mga kitchen.
Oh, dito. Ano to?
This is a laundry area. Laundry area.
One.
Separate din yung ano.
Pero maganda yung tiles nito.
Malinis ano.
Mm-mm.
There's the shower area.
Ay, ito, hindi carpet.
Oh my God, ang liit ng room.
Liit niya.
Ideal, I think this is ideal for small family only. This is a master's bedroom. Stock room. And the other room. This is the next. This is the bedroom. Okay sana kasi walang carpet.
Maliit lang.
Perfect kasi ito yung gusto ko talaga walang carpet. The problem is too small. This is only ideal for small family. Hindi ito pwede sa atin. Let's go.